Namaste students. In the previous lecture, we studied about the receptors, that the various receptors that are present in our body, and these what are the function of these receptors, that they detect the stimulus, and it depends upon the receptor that which kind of stimulus they receive. Clear? And they will transmit this in the form of electrical impulse to the central nervous system. Then what is the function of the central nervous system? That it processes this message and then it will transmit again to the effector body parts, that how to respond against the stimulus. So that's all we have discussed. Now today we will discuss about the central nervous system in detail. Okay, so what are the various organs that are present in the human nervous system? That first, that is the brain. Second, that is the spinal cord, and the various nerves that are present in our body. Clear? So brain, spinal cord and nerves. Brain, where it is present? It is present inside the skull. Okay, it is present inside the skull. And spinal cord, it is present in the cavity of the vertebral column. Clear? In the cavity of the vertebral column. All of you know where is the vertebral column that is present? It is present at the back. Clear? It is also known as backbone because it is present in the back position. So spinal cord, it is present in the cavity of the vertebral column, and brain in the skull. They are attached with the various nerves in our body. They are attached with the various nerves in our body. Clear? So on the basis of the attachment, means on the basis of the attachment, that from where these nerves that are arising, these nerves that are of three kinds. First, cranial nerves. Second, spinal nerves. And the third, that are the visceral nerves. Clear? Now what are the cranial nerves? Cranial nerves means that the nerves which are attached with the brain, and from the which attach the brain to the various parts of the head region. Clear? Or you can say which arise from the brain. So that are known as the cranial nerves. And spinal nerves are those nerves which arise from the spinal cord, and they connect all the parts of the body except head with the spinal cord. Clear? All the parts, from the hands also, from the legs also, from the abdomen, from the thorax region also. So from all the region, these spinal nerves that are connected with the spinal cord. Why they are connected? Because for the detection of the stimulus and to respond and to show the response against the stimulus. Because the electrical impulse from the receptors, it will transmit from these nerves to the spinal cord and to the brain, and then the central nervous system, what they will do? They will show the processing of the message, and then they will send this message again to the body. Clear? Now next we will discuss about the